Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD Solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. First I will take this as a base. The dimension is 80 by 92, thickness is 18 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Select Extrude, select the front plane, create one center rectangle, give the dimensions 80 by 92. Next there is a R20 fillet. You can do it now or you can do it later also. Next there is a dia 16 circle. You can do it now or you can do it later also. Give the equal constraint. So finish sketch. Extrude up to 16 mm. Next select the right plane, sketch, create here two circles. Give the dimension, diameter 36 and 60, distance is 122 mm. Next select line, create one rough sketch, give the dimensions, so this is 18 mm, this height is 40, this height is 6 mm, this is 12, this is 40, this distance is 60 mm. So that's it, sketch is fully defined. So finish sketch, extrude, here select symmetric mid plane, the length we required 54 mm. Next select sketch again, extrude, select this face, select here mid plane, length we required 25, 25, 50 plus 2070 mm. We can do this offset also. There is a one cutout, but we can do it later. Next, this cutout 20 and 24 mm. Select this surface, sketch, create one corner rectangle here, give the dimensions, (24) and this is 20. This midpoint and origin point, give the vertical alignment. So finish sketch, select extruded cut. Here we can select through all. Okay. Control 7 for ISO view. So next select the right plane again, sketch, create one line here, so finish sketch, rib thickness is 12 mm. Okay, bottom also there is a one rib. For that select the right plane again, sketch, create one line here, finish sketch, select rib thickness is 20 mm. Okay. So that's it friends, all the features are added. We can assign the material here, appearances, metal. In the metal there are all the standard materials. I will go with steel. In the steel there are some polishes. We can assign polish as per our requirements, polished steel. Go to edit appearances. So we can assign color here as per your requirements. So that's the today's session friends. I hope everyone enjoyed this session, and also I am requesting everyone, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Thanks for watching this session friends. We'll see you in the next session.